Like high blood pressure, chronic low-grade inflammation is a silent problem with few easy-to-recognize symptoms, like weight gain, fatigue, joint pain, skin problems, and digestive issues, among others. While any number of problems can cause these symptoms, one of them might be chronic low-grade inflammation. That is, when your body's immune system pumps out inflammatory substances as a way of dealing with injury and disease. It's essentially the bad side effect of a good thing. Although a short-term inflammatory immune response helps us fend off an attack, it's not good when the inflammation lasts for an extended period. Often triggered by poor lifestyle choices, chronic inflammation harms our cells over time. Since chronic, low-grade inflammation is so closely tied to the stuff we bring into our bodies, like tobacco smoke, chemicals, red meat, alcohol, sugary, and highly processed foods, changing lifestyle habits is an effective way to cool our inflammation. One of the easiest ways to go about this is to start by choosing the best drinks for inflammation, particularly those that can act as anti-inflammatories. Celery juice. Some people may underestimate the power of celery juice and write it off as a mere wellness fad. However, celery juice may be one of the best drinks to have for inflammation. Celery juice has fiber, which can help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of constipation. Some studies have suggested that celery juice may have anti-inflammatory properties, which could help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. This green juice can also improve your hydration as well, something that research shows may be connected to inflammation. Celery is made up of mostly water, and juicing it can help to increase your fluid intake and promote hydration. Ginger tea. Whether it's enjoyed hot or over ice, ginger tea is one of the best drinks for inflammation. The tasty spice has been used for thousands of years to soothe upset stomachs and nausea, as well as reduce pain. It may also be a natural way to lessen soreness from inflamed joints. It works as an analgesic, which is a pain reliever. Coffee. Coffee has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties and therefore can be a great beverage to choose for inflammation. According to a review published in the BMJ, coffee contains compounds like kaweol, cafestol, and best of all caffeine, which give it certain anti-cancer, antioxidant, antifibrotic, and anti-inflammatory qualities. Drinking your coffee black is going to be your best bet when it comes to fully enjoying its anti-inflammatory properties, as research has shown that diets higher in sugar can contribute to inflammation. If you're not a fan of black coffee, just try limiting your intake of added sugar and super sugary coffee creamers. Green tea. Green tea is one of the healthiest beverages you can drink. Green tea is packed with disease-fighting antioxidants, as well as the antioxidant EGCG, which research shows can enhance fat burning and increase metabolism. Among the best variations of green tea is matcha, which contains a higher concentration of epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which is also one of the most potent anti-inflammatory polyphenols. A number of studies have suggested that drinking matcha green tea may reduce symptoms of various inflammatory disorders. Green tea polyphenols strengthen the epithelial barrier in the gut and support the healthy composition of gut microbes, which improves outcomes for patients suffering from inflammatory bowel disease. Lemon water. If you're looking for a refreshing beverage that's more flavorful than water and can help with inflammation, you may want to think about incorporating a simple glass of lemon water on a regular basis. The high vitamin C content of lemons make lemon water a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory beverage. These antioxidants reduce oxidative stress, a primary contributor to inflammation. According to a study published in Drug Design, Development and Therapy, vitamin C was able to reduce inflammation in obese participants with hypertension or diabetes, by way of lowering fasting blood glucose, as well as inflammatory markers such as C-reactive proteins and interleukin. Warm turmeric milk. Turmeric is a yellowish-orange spice containing a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin, which has been shown to help reduce the risk of many chronic diseases as well as relieve inflammatory pain from osteoarthritis. Turmeric powder is easy to mix into smoothies and it also makes a pleasing tea. But since curcumin is absorbed better by the body when taken with some fat, adding milk or avocado to your turmeric smoothie is a smart option. Or, Try warm turmeric milk made with almond milk and coconut oil for the fat. Pineapple juice. One of the most researched and most powerful anti-inflammatories is bromelain, an enzyme found in abundance in pineapple. A review of studies on bromelain in the journal Foods in 2021 explored its many possible therapeutic effects for the treatment of cancer, burns, and cardiovascular disease due to its anticoagulant properties, allergies, sinusitis, and arthritis. One reason bromelain is so effective is that it has a high bioavailability, meaning it is absorbed quickly by the body and remains potent for a significant amount of time. Studies have shown that bromelain produces both analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects in patients with rheumatoid arthritis and reduces knee pain and inflammation in patients with osteoarthritis. Pineapple juice taken after exercise may even relieve post-exercise inflammation by helping to repair and ease muscle soreness because it is also rich in potassium. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.